A car swerving through the night, a woman claiming to be a police officer, and one undeniable truth.
So sorry.
A blood alcohol level nearly 3 times the legal limit.
Good.
What really happened that night, and how did a law enforcer become the lawbreaker?
Oh, okay. Can I check your eyes real quick?
Really?
It's only, I don't want you to move your head at all, okay?
If your shoes bother you.
Key Largo, Florida, 9:55 p.m., May 21st, 2020. Police received multiple calls from residents on Avenue D, complaining about loud music blaring for hours from a house in the neighborhood. The woman behind the wheel was no stranger. She was a deputy sheriff, someone expected to uphold the law.
I'm a Pinellas County deputy.
Her name, Shelby Elise Coniglio, 26 years old, a name once tied to the badge, but in just one night, everything came crashing down. A deputy sheriff, a member of law enforcement, yet she had no ID, no vehicle registration. She claimed the car belonged to her father. The conversation continued, but the deputy's behavior grew increasingly bizarre. She tried to speak Spanish to a Dominican officer, then claimed she was Italian.
Do you have your ID on you? Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Okay.
Well, I'm a deputy, but
Well, that's fine. Do you have any weapons on you?
I live right there.
Okay.
I would normally, but
Do you have some kind of ID or anything on you?
my ID is not here. But I'm a Pinellas County deputy.
Okay. Do you have some kind of ID on you?
No. I was just driving. That way I dropped my friend off and I went this way because I live right there.
I get that, but I pulled you over because you were flying past everybody and you were cutting.
No, I was just driving.
Okay, when I was pulling you, at this point you were going like 56 and a 40. You were flying.
No, I was not flying.
Okay.
I was just
Do you have your registered name on it or anything?
Well, this car is not mine, so...
Okay. Do you have anything with your name on it? Is that your driver's license right there?
It's my driver's license and my,
Okay, can I see your driver's license?
Sure.
Do you have your work ID?
No, it's at home in my cruiser.
Okay. Where do you live at?
I live at...
Okay. So not the address on your license?
No.
Okay.
Right there.
Whose car is this?
My father's.
Give me a second, we'll be right back. Stay 10-12 with her. I gotta call this one. Actually, my camera's speaking supervisor. Hi.
So sorry. I put the wrong one.
How are you?
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Yeah.
What's going on tonight?
I have no idea. I'm trying to get...
Oh, okay. Do you know why she pulled you over?
She said because I'm driving too fast.
Oh, okay.
But I'm a Pinellas County deputy, and I'm trying to get to my house, which is right there.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Been with us, so?
5 years.
Gotcha.
Is that a problem?
No, absolutely not.
Just trying to...
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
whatever she wants to do.
Yeah. I don't know what she's doing now, but I'm just going to stand by with you until she figures out what she wants to do.
You want me to get out?
No, you're fine.
No, you're good.
I'm good?
Like, you don't have to step out right now.
Well, there's like 5 people now.
I'm going to go to the AOA. You're good here?
Yeah.
All right.
She said you were a deputy?
Yes.
Where at?
Pinellas County Sheriff's Office.
Oh, you're with us? Oh, nice.
Yeah.
How long you been with us?
5 years. I mean, I could get out, I could get in, and you could come in.
No, you're good right now.
Listen, I'm
You're
just
good.
trying to, I don't know, whatever you guys want to do, whatever
Oh,
it
you're
is.
good.
I live at that light right there.
Gotcha.
So if you want to hang out, if you don't want to hang out,
Where are you coming from?
not even long. you know, Gainard? I picked up someone, brought them over to their house, and then I was going back to my house.
Gotcha.
Because I am just living my...
I gotcha.
And they actually live with Pinellas. And so I was like, oh, I'll bring you home.
Gotcha.
Boom, 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 boom.
Gotcha.
Espanol, but...
Where from?
Wait?
So you're Spanish?
Yeah, you
From
say...
where?
You where?
Mm-hmm.
Honey, you know you speak Spanish?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, pero eh? Pero eh?
Ah, okay. I'm Dominican.
Dominican? Oh, no. 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 No.
What's wrong with that?
Italiano, okay? And I only speak some Spanish,
Gotcha.
okay? For the most part, Italiano.
Gotcha.
But she pulled me over. I do what I want.
I got you.
But you're St. Pete, so it doesn't matter.
Are you like in special unit with the SO or just
No, patrol.
Gotcha.
Only patrol. So what is she new?
Who? Her? No. No.
No?
She's been on probably about the same amount of time as you.
5 years? She's been on 5 years and it's taking this long?
She was just making a phone call.
To who?
I'm here with you. I don't know. She's coming now.
Alrighty. Go step out of the car for me a second. We're just going to talk over there, okay? Can you carry your front light? Okay, come over here. Just we're out of the road. Can we step over here? Are you able to walk over here?
Yeah, in the fucking...
Well, no, I just want to get on the sidewalk so we're
and
not on the...
bullshit.
Okay, alright. Talking to you, I am getting some sign impairment. Okay, can I check your eyes real quick?
Really?
Alright, I want to give you every chance to say that you're fine. Okay. So can I check real quick?
This is what we're gonna do right now?
I don't have a choice.
You don't have a choice.
No.
And you pulled me over for going 10 miles over the speed limit?
You were going over the speed limit. And
Really?
it's not just speed, it's also how you were driving.
No.
Look,
10 miles over the speed limit.
I'm not going to argue with you. I mean, I'm past that point. You understand my position? All right. I want to give you every opportunity for you to show me that you're okay to drive. And I really hope that that's the results we get, okay? But at this point, I can't just look the other way.
That's where you're at right now?
Yeah. Can I check your eyes real quick?
This is how you're doing it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. I don't have a choice. It's
Yes,
the
you
same for
do.
anybody else.
No, yes you do.
I can't treat anybody any differently.
Yes you would.
No.
I wasn't in other people's lanes.
Okay. I'm not going to argue about that. There's dash cam video and all of that, okay? But we're past that point right now. The point is you were stopped. You're showing signs of impairment.
No, I'm not showing...
Okay. All right. I want to give you every opportunity to show
You know
that
what?
that's not the case.
I want to ask,
Uh-huh.
what signs of impairment am I showing?
You've got bloodshot, watery eyes. You have slight
Nope,
speech.
nope. I
Okay.
want to know,
Okay.
pulling over, what was the signs of
I'm
impairment?
not-
Because I do not have bloodshot and watery eyes, because I have contact lenses in my eyes.
Okay.
I have contact
Yeah,
lenses
I'm
in.
not trying to argue with you, okay? I'm hoping that you can show that you're okay to drive, okay? But I have to go forward with this. I have to at least investigate
No,
it.
I just want to know.
I explained to you. You smell very strongly about it. Your movements have been very slow and fumbling. You have a very dazed facial expression. All these are signs of impairment, okay? If you're good to drive, perfect. But that's I have to investigate that.
No, you have to go over it again.
Okay.
I am showing what exactly?
You have bloodshot, watery eyes. You have slurred speech. You have a
But
strong,
I'm contact lenses.
okay. You have a strong odor of alcohol coming from your breath.
But I'm wearing. I have.
Okay. All right. As I said, I'm just an investigation at this point. I want to give you every opportunity. You're saying that you're fine. I want to give you every opportunity to show me that.
There's no way in hell. No way in hell.
Okay. Can I check your eyes real quick? Just make sure that you're okay.
You're gonna check it? No.
Are you? I want to give you some opportunity to participate in some field sobriety tests. Is that something you'd be willing to do?
And if I wasn't willing to.
Look, I want to give you every opportunity to show me that you're okay to drive.
So you're saying that if I'm not willing to do what you're telling you, I'm apparently.
I'm saying I'm getting signs of impairment.
Where?
Okay?
Where?
I explained it to you already, okay?
No, say it again.
I've explained it to you multiple times.
You said that, but it's not impairment.
Okay. Well, if you are telling me you're not impaired, that great. I want you to give you
Okay,
every opportunity.
show impaired.
Okay, can I check your eyes real quick?
And then what after that? If you're gonna check my eyes, what after that?
It depends what I see in your eyes.
Okay, so it depends what you see in my eyes, but after that, it doesn't mean anything.
It's just one step at a time. Right now, I just want to check your eyes. Is
No,
that
I
okay?
don't. I don't want to see eyes. I want to see after that.
Okay. After it's a building process. Okay. It's not a one test determines everything.
Test.
The signs were unmistakable: bloodshot, watery eyes, slurred, incoherent speech, and most importantly, the strong scent of alcohol on her breath.
Do you have blindness?
Even though she blamed her behavior on putting in contact lenses, the truth was beginning to surface.
Light.
Yeah.
Okay. All I have you to do is just stand with your feet together. Down at your sides. So what I'm going to do is follow this red light with your eyes. Oh, careful.
That is-
light with your eyes. Oh, careful.
That is.
Okay. What I'm going to have you do is follow it. Eyes and your eyes only. I don't want you to move your head at all. Okay.
If your shoes are bothering you, you can take them off.
That's too fast.
And keep following with your eyes.
It's too far away.
Just follow it as far as you can go.
It's too far away.
Your eyes are drifting. You're not focusing on the pen. I just need you to focus on the pen. Okay.
Your light is in my face. Too far up. Too far up. I can't
You
see
gotta look
it.
all the way up as far as you gotta go. Your eyes should go on as far up as they can go.
Can't see any further than that.
Hang out here on the pen. Alrighty. Are you able to spell your first and last name for me?
SHELD1 CONIGLIN.
And what's your date of birth? How tall are you?
5'2",
Okay. How much you weigh?
50 pounds.
What color are your eyes?
Brown.
Do you know your social security number?
Yes.
What's that? Social security number? What about the rest of it? Where were you born?
Orlando.
And what's your current address? You said you work for HCSO?
PCSO.
Oh, Pinellas County. I
Yes.
thought you took Borough County earlier.
No, I did not. I never said that.
Okay.
I said PCSO.
Okay. Are you street deputy or detention?
No, I am a deputy in Pinellas County. I'm a patrol officer.
Okay. How would you describe your overall health? Good, fair, or poor?
I think it's a...
Okay. At this time, I'm going to give you the opportunity to participate in 2 more field sobriety tests. Is that something you'd be willing to do?
You think that I'm impaired right now?
As I said,
Her eyes.
Yeah.
So in the eyes.
You're showing signs of impairment. I want to give you every opportunity to show me that you're okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, again, the traditional test, the walk and turn,
Sure.
and the one-leg stand. Is that
I'll
something you'd be
do
willing
all of
to
the
do?
tests.
Okay. Perfect. Hang out with him. I'll be right back with you.
What what's it called? What
I'm a deputy.
Yeah, I know. What's your like? Do you work nights? Do you work days?
I work night.
Gotcha. I don't know how you guys do it. You guys do what, like left and right?
12 hours.
I know you do 12 hours. You know what I'm saying? There's not a left and right side depending on the schedule. Like, you know what I'm saying?
There's like A and B.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm on B.
Gotcha. So this is your light week?
Yeah.
Gotcha. For this, if it makes it easier, you can take your shoes off.
The road would probably be better for this. Is she new?
Been here longer than I have.
Then why is she doing this? When I live right there. She doesn't care. She wants to fuck people over.
I'm pretty sure what she wants to do.
So, in the sense of being a deputy, with her doing this, what are your thoughts?
What do you mean?
In the fact of me acing this or not, it doesn't matter, right?
No, I mean, that's the point of it.
The tests don't lie. The evidence was undeniable. A number appeared on the screen, 0.219%, nearly 3 times the legal limit. She pleaded, mentioned her position, even invited the officer into the car, but the law doesn't care who you are, what you wear, or what you've done. Wrong is wrong.
You go to the front of the car first.
Alright, you got nothing on you? No. No pockets in here? Nothing up in your bra? Just put your feet for me real quick.
You want to
Huh?
keep those reins on? Or
Do you want those in the car, or do you want... Okay. Alright, go ahead.
Within hours of her arrest, Shelby Coniglio was terminated under internal policy. The order came directly from the sheriff. In a later hearing, she pled guilty to careless driving and accepted a diversion program, 12 months probation, DUI education, and hours of community service. Under Florida law, driving with a BAC over 0.15% can lead to up to 9 months in jail, license suspension, and a permanent record, but she received leniency as this was her first offense. The law doesn't discriminate. No matter who you are, mistakes come with a price.